เซสชั่นต่อไปครับเป็นเรื่องการสร้าง interaction นะครับกับเว็บ Joomla นะครับซึ่งผู้บรรยายเป็นวิทยากรจากต่างประเทศนะครับคุณเจสันเรย์นะครับ Senior Developer จาก Stack Ideas นะครับก็ขอเตะตบมือครับ Welcome Jason
Okay, sorry for the delay, technical issues. Okay, I'm too short, so I won't stand there, because if not, you won't see me. Okay, hi everybody, welcome to JoomlaDay Bangkok 2013. And today I'm going to talk about generating interactions on your Joomla site. Okay, first, let me start about me. Okay, I'm in Joomla for like 2 years only, so I'm kind of a nobody, and I'm starting off in this field for only like 2 years, and I only learned Joomla for the past 2 years. Okay. So my name is Jason, and I'm from Malaysia. Currently staying in Kuala Lumpur, and I'm 25 years old this year. And I've been working in Stack Ideas for 2 years, and right now I'm a senior developer in Stack Ideas. Yeah, and one of the project management as well. So if you are here yesterday for my colleague's talk, Mark, I'm sure that he already explained what we do. We develop extensions. Yeah. Then these are the 5 products that we currently have. We have EasyBlock, Easy Social, which is our latest social extension. We have Commento. I'm the lead developer for Commento. We have Easy Discuss, and we have Section EX as well. Okay, so let me start off with my presentation. Yeah, so as we all know it, content is king. Okay, everybody know it. This is especially important for web administration as well. Content is king. But then, what is content? Content is what drives the website, and it is what makes user goes to your website. Yes. So what is content? Content consists of things like the blog post, your product, video that you uploaded. Article, your products, and things like that. So those content comes from author. Those content comes from administrator. Those content comes from owner. But here's the thing: content is not just the owner's responsibility. Your website content is not just the author's responsibility. Your website content actually comes from user contribution as well. User contributions are stuff like comments, contact forms. If you have a product page, then your user contribution will be things like ratings, reviews, and testimonials. These are things that comes from public users. Okay, so we all visit websites every day. We surf the websites every day, right? So why do we visit the website? It's because we want to search for data. We want to read blogs. We want to retrieve relevant data that we want, right? So how do we find a page that we want to go to? We go to a search engine. We load up Google, and then we search for the relevant data that we want, right? Then once we got the data, once we got the link from Google, then we go to the page. Then we as a user, what do you do on the page? Do you just read the article, or do you just read the product and then leave the page? How about you as an administrator? Do you want the user to come to your website and then just read the relevant data and just leave your website? No, I'm sure no, right? So user interaction is important in this case. You want user to come to your website and stay on your website. So this is in the form of user feedback, user interaction. This is very important to your site because you do not want bounce rate to be high. You as a web administrator, you do not want user to come to your site and just leave your site like that. You want your user to come and then maybe leave some comments to you. This is called crowdsourcing, so that the content is generated by the public. When you go to a website, you don't only just read the author's content, you read other users' comment as well. It's just like if you go to YouTube and then you search for a video. After viewing the video, what do? You scroll down and you start reading the comments, right? I'm sure everybody does this. So comment is very important. So, and in another way, user contributed comments is important for a web administrator as well, because it helps you build a better website. It lets you know the user voices. Okay, and this encourages other users to participate as well. Users stay on your site, and the important thing we all want is to decrease the bounce rate. So there are a lot of types of there are a lot of ways that you can generate this kind of user interaction on your site. But today I'm going to focus on only one thing, which is the most common one: comment system. Okay. There are a lot of comment system out there. Comment system come in a lot of forms. Reviews, ratings, testimonials. Those are actually in the form of comments as well. Okay. So I'm going to show you a few popular ones that you can find on Joomla extension directory. C comment. This is quite popular. This is available in both free and paid version. The picture is a little bit blurred, I'm sorry, because I could not get a higher resolution one. These screenshots are all from official JED. Okay, this is another popular one, J comment. This is free as well. And this is quite new, Ju comment. This was just launched last year, and this is free as well. Okay. Last but not least, the product that I developed, that I lead, Commento. And this is what I'm going to talk about today mainly. Okay, the reason why I started developing this project is because, to be frank, we cannot find a decent commenting system to use, regardless of all the popular ones out there. They always have some sort of shortage in features, or in terms of design, it's not up to what we want. So I started off in Stack Ideas by developing. This is my first project, and right now I'm still leading this project. So the main thing about Commento is that it uses Ajax technology. But then all of the product nowadays mostly drive Ajax, right? So the interesting thing is that post comment is Ajax. Yes, we all know it. No, you have notification, which is on Ajax. Yes. But we also have administrative actions that is in Ajax as well, such as edit comment, delete comment. You do not need to refresh your page for that. Okay, we have lots of other added features as well that you wouldn't expect from a commenting system, but we add it in anyway because this is what drives it to be a better commenting system. Such as location tagging, we have file attachment, RSS subscription. I will talk about this more later on. And the other thing is that this is the one that steps it up the most, is that we have elegant themes. Commento comes with 6 elegant themes, and they are all really stunning. They are all properly designed by our designer as well. As you can see in the screenshot, this is one of our best design comment. So let me head into the few of the major features in Commento. Commento supports 15 components right out of the box. Once you download Commento, this is there. Okay, these are internally developed. And the thing is, Commento is easily extendable. You just need to write one plugin file. So there are other components out there who wrote a few plugins. And actually, there are more than 15 components that support Commento, but you have to get it from third-party developers. But these are the 15 components that we support right out of the box. We have popular ones such as K2, Zoo, Flexi Content. The author of Flexi Content is here, and we support Flexi Content as well. Easy Blog, and the most important one is Joomla Article. It all started with Joomla Article. Okay, the themes in Commento is mobile ready, it's responsive, it's clean, it's elegant. Okay, it's easily used in mobile as well, and this is the mobile version of how would you view Commento in a mobile. Okay, and we have attachments features as well. Most commenting system doesn't really come with this, but we believe that sometimes users want to show pictures, sometimes users want to upload a PDF file, things like that. So with it, excuse me. With this attachment, it's not just attachment. Administrative have a lot of controls over it also. Administration can control file size, file limit, the file type that you want user to upload. You wouldn't want user to spam your site, right? Yeah, this is another interesting one. Preview comments. On the left side, it's on your left. Okay, it's on your left. On the left is a typical screenshot where you will see how a commenting system integrates into an article system, in which typically a commenting system will just add a link bar at the bottom of your article by just showing you a comment link and a comment counter. That's all. But here we step up and we show. You can configure it to show a few recent comments. It acts like a way as a preview comments for the customer to see, for the user to see before the user actually clicks on and go into the article. Okay, SEO wise, everybody cares about this SEO rating. So Commento is carefully coded. This is properly done in a way that Commento code comes with all proper schema tags, where it helps increases your SEO ratings. Okay, social sharing. This is also another important thing. Nowadays, who doesn't use Facebook? Who doesn't use Twitter? Okay, this is the most important part of it all as well. So the key feature here is that with social sharing in Commento, there's no API required. There's no setup required. For administrator, it's just as easy as going to the back end, one click, enable it. That's all. It's enabled on the front end. User can just click. And on the user side, it's as simple as one click share. That's all. No complication required. Okay, access control. This is also another important thing for administrator. Now we have tons of rules for administrator to control. You can control down to the minimal, down to a detailed rule such as, can a user download an attachment? Can a user upload an attachment? Can a user like a comment? Can a user add a comment? We prepare this in a way that each site can be so configurable that you can set up the perfect environment for your users to use the commenting system. Yeah. Okay. Migrators. This is also very important for administrator. I'm sure if you install a comment system, you wouldn't start off scratch from a new site. You would have migrated from an old site, and you might have old comments to import from. So right out of the box, Commento supports migration from EasyBlock, K2, Zoo. These are the few popular ones. We also support migration from J comments, CJ comments. These are also a few popular commenting system. But the key part here is that we have custom migration as well, in which for all other components that is not recognized by Commento, you can still technically import it. Now, this is importing in a way where as long as the data is in your database, in the same database, you just need to come to this interface, select the table that you want to import, map everything to the right column, just hit import. And the migrator can support large database as well. Commento can support up to 30,000 comments on a page, no problem. We already optimize it in a way that the migrator works properly, the migrator works really fast. Commento works really fast with 30,000 comments on an article. We actually tested this on one of our customer site. So yeah, I might have skipped some features that you would expect from a simple basic commenting system. What do you expect from a basic commenting system? Moderation, user report, comment like, spam control, email notification. I assure you that these are all there, and we have a lot more features as well. I cannot cover everything, but the basic features that you would expect from a commenting system are all there. And the things that I elaborate today are more on the stuff that makes us different from other commenting systems. Okay, and last but not least, Commento is free. So it's free. You do not need to provide your credit card information. It's completely free. Just register on our site and you can download it right away. We just released a new version last week that supports Easy Social integration. So you can try out our new product as well, Easy Social. And as a thanks to the community that supported us all these years, this is why we decided to release it for free to the public. This is our gesture to show our appreciation to the community and to all our customers that support us throughout all the years. Okay, and I hope you guys can try out Commento. Can try out Commento. Commento supports basic Joomla article right out of the box, and believe me, you guys will be impressed. Okay, and before I end, I would like to say a special thanks to my leader, who has been a really great friend to me and a great brother to me as well. Mark has been taking care of me. Thank you so much.
ครับก็ Okay, I will summarize in Thai language.
Yeah, sure.
โอเคนะครับก็เดี๋ยวจะสรุปสิ่งที่คุณเจสัน พูดไว้นะครับก็คุณเจสันบอกว่าจริงเรื่องเนื้อหาในเว็บไซต์ของเราเนี่ยครับเป็นสิ่งที่สำคัญมากครับที่จะสร้างอินเตอร์แอคชั่นหรือปฏิสัมพันธ์ของผู้ใช้กับเว็บของเรานะครับฉะนั้นการที่เรารับฟีดแบ็กจากคนที่เข้ามาในเว็บไซต์เนี่ยก็เป็นเรื่องที่สำคัญนะครับนี่คุณเจสันก็เลยแนะนำเรื่องระบบตัวจัดการความคิดเห็นหรือพวก comment stem นะครับซึ่งก็มีหลาย ๆ ตัวที่น่าใช้นะครับเพราะว่าการที่เราใช้ระบบพวกนี้เข้าไปเนี่ยเราก็จะสามารถนำเอาพวกคอมเมนต์เนี่ยมาจัดการกับเว็บไซต์เราแล้วก็จะช่วยให้พวกคอนเทนต์ที่เราทำเนี่ยมันดีขึ้นเพราะได้รับฟีดแบ็กนะครับไม่ว่าจะเป็นทำให้คนเข้ามาเจอง่ายขึ้นหาง่ายขึ้นนะครับหรือว่าทำให้คนอยู่กับเว็บไซต์เรานานขึ้นหรือแม้กระทั่งลดการบอสเลสที่เข้ามาแล้วก็ออกไปของผู้ใช้งานได้นะครับทีนี้ตัว comment stem เนี่ยก็มีหลายตัวให้เลือกใช้นะครับซึ่งคุณเจสันก็แนะนำมาไม่ว่าจะเป็น C comment นะครับหรือ J comment หรือ Ju comment ที่เพิ่งออกมาใหม่นะครับรวมถึงcommento ซึ่งทางคุณเจสันเนี่ยเป็นคนพัฒนาขึ้นมาของทาง Stack Idea ซึ่งเป็นตัวคอมเมนต์ที่ฟรีนะครับซึ่งก็มีฟังก์ชันฟีเจอร์มากมายนะครับที่เห็นไปเมื่อกี้ไม่ว่าจะเป็นพวกธีมที่สวยงามนะครับหรือว่ากระทั่งพวกซัพพอร์ตเรื่องของโมบายเอ Ajax นะครับแล้วก็มีฟีเจอร์ต่างมากมายก็ใครที่สนใจก็ลองไปดาวน์โหลดและติดตั้งดูกับเว็บไซต์ของ Joomla ได้ทันทีไม่มีค่าใช้จ่ายนะครับของ URL ก็อยู่ Jason can you back to the URL of the commento Can you back to the slide of the commento download page
okay yeah
thank you ก็สามารถไปดาวน์โหลดได้ที่นี่นะครับซึ่งก็ฟรีนะครับก็ใครมีคำถามอะไรที่จะถามคุณเจสันบ้างไหมครับ any question ครับขอไมค์นิดเดียวเดี๋ยวถามพี่เลยครับ
Hello. Hi. Now I have easy block.
Yes.
Can you list 3 reasons?
Sorry?
Can you list 3 reasons that I should purchase the subscription for Commento? Because EasyBlock had excellent comment system.
Yes, EasyBlock has a native commenting system. Yes.
Can you list 3 reasons that I should buy this subscription?
List 3 other components that Commento support.
Professional version.
Okay, let me show you the list of supported components. Okay, and it depends on what kind of website are you building. If you are building a product website, then I would say A-Shop or VirtualMart. A-Shop or VirtualMart is supported as well. If you want media sharing, we have HWD Media Share. Now, if you want to share videos, MP3s on your website, then we have HWD Media Share. And events. Events is also another important part of your website, right? So we have J Events and Ohana Events. Ohana Events is also very popular. Yeah, so these 3.
Thank you.
No problem.
ครับก็กี้ก็คือคำถามว่ามีขอให้ลิสต์เหตุผลที่สามัญที่ตัวคอมเมนโตดีกว่าตัว Easy Block นะครับยังไงบ้างนะครับคุณเจสันก็บอกว่ามันก็มีเรื่องของการที่เขาสามารถทำพวกวิดีโอแชร์ลิงได้แล้วก็ต่อกับตัวextension อื่นของเขาไม่ว่าจะเป็นพวกอีเวนต์อะไรอย่างนี้ได้นะครับก็ support ได้หลายตัวมากกว่านะครับก็ประมาณนั้นใครมีคำถามอะไรอีกไหมครับน่าจะหมดแล้วก็เดี๋ยว that's it เดี๋ยว yes
Okay, thank you so much. On a side note, we have, if you guys have your gift bags, we have a brochure in the gift bags that have a coupon code inside that entitles you to 20% discount of our products.
ก็มีดิสคาวให้นะครับก็ใครสนใจก็ไปฟีดแบ็กได้ก็เดี๋ยวเราติดต่อได้เพราะว่าทีม Stack Idea ก็ยังอยู่กับเรา
It's for Easy Social. Our latest social component, Easy Social.
Easy Social นะครับก็ลองติดต่อได้นะครับก็เดี๋ยวขอเชิญคุณสุภชัยมอบของที่ระลึกให้
Thank you, thank you.
ขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับคุณเจสันนะครับนะครับแล้วเดี๋ยวถ่ายรูปกันนิดหนึ่งก็อย่าลืมครับใครมีคำถามอะไรก็ไปถามกับเจ้าตัวได้นะครับเพราะเป็นคนพัฒนาเองนะครับ